Hi friends, this is Mandeep and you are watching High Technology TV. In this video, we are going to discuss how to install SAP HANA on Google Cloud platform. So earlier also we have created a video that how to install SAP HANA on Google Cloud for free. You can check that here. This is the video. In this I have described how to install SAP HANA on Google Cloud for free. So what is the requirement of creating a new video? So in previous video our process is a bit lengthy and some of you guys have some issues and some query like for the VPC network and for the putty gen that we have to create a key there on the putty. So I want to make it more simple and easy for you guys, so that's why I'm creating this new video. Also one more thing is that now some of you guys are facing this issue that package not installed lib atomic one error, and here also that you are facing this issue, and this one is also there. So in earlier videos when we created our earlier video, this issue is not there. So I want to cover this issue also in this video. So let's start from the scratch. Here I'm not creating a Google Cloud account, so for that you can refer my older video. Here I'm just creating the VPC network. For that, go to the VPC network and then click on VPC networks. Click on create VPC network and here just provide the name HANA and select automatic here and click on create button here. You can check the status here that our network is created, or right now it is creating our network. Once created it will reflected here, so let's wait for it. Otherwise meanwhile let's go to the compute engine and create two instances. So here you can choose your region. I'm keeping it default as US Central, and here you can choose the machine type and here you can choose the custom. Now its interface of the Google Cloud platform made a bit change, so this is the new interface. So here you can choose the custom or you can choose the tier here. So I'm choosing the tier from here. Choose the operating system. Here I'm choosing Windows Server 2012 R2 data center and giving it this size of 100 GB. Select. Now go to the management, security, disk and networking. Now click on the networking part and from here on the network interfaces select. Okay, so it is not there. Okay, I think we have to refresh it again. Okay, go back. Okay, now from the network, select the HANA, click on done, and now click on the create button. Here you are able to see that I am also using the free account, and here it is showing that your free trial credit will be used for this VM machine. So just click on the create button here, and it will start creating our VM machine. So let's create one more machine that is for HANA. So click on create instance, and here provide the name HANA, and here choose the custom one. Here I have used 2 CPUs on my Windows machine, so here I am choosing the 6, and I want to extend the memory of my system. Let's take the 200 GB. Here on the boot disk, click on change and select your operating system. Here I am selecting SUSE Linux Enterprise Server 12 SP3 for SAP and giving the boot disk size to 50 GB. Click on select. Now click on the management security disk and networking, and on the networking part select the HANA. Click done here. Now come to the disk part and click here to add a new disk, and we are taking 2 disks. One is of 500 GB. Click on the done and add a new disk that will be used as a swap. So I am giving it for 100 GB. Click on done. Let's cross check all the settings. Okay, everything is fine. So here also it is using our free trial credit. So just click on the create button here. And here you are able to see that our Windows machine is created. Let's wait for the HANA machine. Okay, our HANA SUSE machine is also ready. Here, first of all, let's click on the SSH here. It is taking time. Let's close it and click again on the SSH.
Let's restart it. As resetting is not working, so let's restart.
Okay, so our system is down now, so let's start it again. Okay, so system is started successfully, so let's take the SSH again. Okay, we are unable to connect to the, okay, close it and go to the VPC network. Go to the HANA one, click here. And now click on the firewall rules, and here click on add firewall rule, and here type incoming, and here ingress is for the incoming traffic, here you can check, and egress is for the outgoing. Here check all instances in this network, and here type the 0.0.0/0, allow all, and click on create. Now add one more firewall rule, that is for outgoing. Here also check the egress, all instances, and type 0.0.0.0/0, allow all, click on create. Here I am allowing all the ports, as this is for only for the testing environment. If it is for production environment, then you have to be very careful when allowing the traffic to any port and from anywhere. This is for the anywhere. So let's go back to the compute engine, VM instances, and now again click on the SSH. Okay, and here as you are able to see that we are connected to our server. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to type sudo space passwd, and here you have to type the new password, and by this way we resetted the password of our root user. Now switch to the root user su and then type password. Here I want to show you one more thing, that is, let me show you. Open the putty here, and this is the IP. Here when we try to log in with root, it says that no supported authentication method available, server sent public key. It means that we cannot log in directly through putty. So what we have to do is we have to change some setting. For that, let's do that settings. Go to the etc sshd config. Here we have to change 2 or 3 parameters. Here the first one is that password authentication should be yes. So here you are able to see that we have to change this from no to yes. Then we have to uncomment this, that is permit root login. We have to uncomment it, and now save your changes, and now we have to restart the services. For that, use the command systemctl restart sshd, and our services are restarted. So let's try again. Open putty, and now again paste the IP address, hit enter, type the user root, and now it is asking for the password. And here you are able to see that we are able to log in into our system directly from our system through putty. So what we have to do is we have to change to setting, and that is in /etc/ssh/sshd_config, and then we have to restart the sshd services, and then you are able to connect directly to your server. So this is the main point. Okay, earlier for this what you have to do is you have to create a key through puttygen, and then you have to add into our Google Cloud metadata, and then you are able to connect to our server through that particular key. But here we can directly connect to our system through root. We do not need any kind of key. So this is the one thing. So let's add hard disk here. For that, use the command sudo lsblk. So this is one of our mount point, this is second, these are the devices. So use the command. First of all, let's create the directory mkdir/hana. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to we have to add the hard disk to our HANA server. For that we have to use 2 or 3 commands. This is the command. Here we have to provide the device ID, that is SDB. Hit enter. Now use this command /HANA and it's mounted. Now use the command to find the UID. For that use sudo blkid /dev/sdb, and this is the UID. Open the fstab file. For that use the command etc/fstab. Go in the insert mode. /HANA ext4 is the format. Defaults 1/1. Okay, so done. So we have successfully mounted our HANA mount point. You are able to see it here. So now what we have to do is we have to add the swap. For that you can use the command free-g. Right now we do not have any swap space here, so for that let's create that. Okay, now use the command mkswap/dev/sdc, and this is the UID. Again open the fstab file. Do the entry here as swap. Save your changes, and now use the command swap on -a, and now use the command free-g, and here you are able to see that we have 99 GB of free swap space. So okay friend, we have done our system readiness part. So now what we have to do is we have to download the software. You can directly transfer it from your system, but on that case the transfer rate depends upon the internet you have. For that, I will suggest you guys to use your Windows instance. So for that, just click yes, click on set Windows password and click on set. Now this is the password, copy it and here close it. I will suggest you to copy the Chrome setup file. Paste the Chrome setup file. Install it. Now first of all, what we have to do is we have to download to FileZilla from here. That is required to transfer our set of files of HANA. So download the FileZilla client. That is I think I have clicked on the Pro version. We have to download it. It's downloaded, install it. So FileZilla is installed successfully. So now go to the po.sap.com and download the installer from here. Or if you guys do not have the SUser ID and password to download the software from SAP, then I will suggest you guys to use the SAP HANA Express Edition. Just type this and go to this link, that is download SAP HANA Express Edition. And click here register for your free version. Type these details here and then you can get the installer. I will already mention that in my previous video, you guys can check that. So I'm fast forwarding the video from here as download takes some time, so I will resume the video once the download is completed. Okay friends, so SAP HANA installer is downloaded successfully. So now connect to the server from the FileZilla. For that, type the IP here. Username is root, password, and use the port 22. Save the password here. Trust the certificate. And now go to the root. And now go to the HANA. Here create a new directory, that is installcd. Now go to the downloads. Now transfer our installer zip file. Oh sorry, we have to cancel it. As we have to transfer it to installcd. Now again start the upload. And here you guys are able to see that it is going to take approximate 5 to 6 minutes. So let's wait. Okay, so now change the permission of this directory. Keep it 777 and set as recurse. Click OK. Delete this. Now go back to our putty and now go to the HANA installcd. Let's down all the content, and here you are able to see. Now use the command unzip and type this file name and hit enter. Now it start inflating our zip file. It will also take time as the zip file is very huge in size. Okay, so let's download the content again. 777 data units. Okay, we have to change it to capital R. Now go to the data units, cd hdb underscore server, and list down all the content. Okay, and here let's do the clear of screen, and here we have to use this file, that is hdblcm, to install our database system. hdblcm. If you want to install it with GUI, then you have to use this file. For the web, this. So let's execute, and now it is asking to choose an action. So first index type is to install, 2 is for extract of the component, and third is for the exit. So type 1, hit enter. Here you guys are able to see that RPM package libatomic1 is not installed. This is the error what you guys are facing here, that libatomic version is not installed, this one. So something is changed, that's why you guys are getting this error. So now I am going to tell you how to resolve this error. Do a clear again. Now go back to our Windows system and open the browser here. And here type libatomic1 suje, and here click on the first link, go to show libatomic1 for other distributions. Now for the first link, click on the download 64-bit, and this is the RPM. Now transfer it. Send it to NSTCD. Change its permission to 777. Click OK. Now back to our putty system and go to HANA, NSTCD, and here use the command rpm -ivh libatomic and just hit enter and done. Now copy the path from here, go to the installation directory and use the command hdblcm again. Now type 1 to install the SAP HANA system, hit enter, and now you guys are able to see that our error is resolved. So by this way you guys can resolve your issue. I will add the link of this particular RPM package, this particular package link, into the description box. Okay, so here choose 2 to install the server, HANA seed, HANA, no, system SIDH, QAZ 00 group, and this is for test system. Provide the password and this is the summary. And I have not described all of these settings because I have described it so many times earlier. So type 5 for the continue and hit enter, and it will start installing our SAP HANA system. Now it is going to take some time, so I'm fast forwarding the video here. I will get back once the installation is done. Okay friends, so our SAP HANA database system is installed. So now let's connect it through SAP HANA Studio. IP. Now we have to use the public IP here. Put the IP here. Instance number is 00. Database mode is multi-container. Now connect to the system DB and type QAZ here. And username is system. So here you guys are able to see that we have connected successfully to our system QHZ. And one more thing is here that we have connected the system through our system. We are not using the Windows server which we created. Here you can check that we are accessing this system from our laptop or our desktop. Now there is no use of this particular Windows machine. You can delete it and you can access the server directly from your laptop or your desktop. So by this way you guys can use your Google Cloud account for more days, because here we are using only one system and we don't need Windows system. So that's why I'm going to That's why I tell you guys that I am going to create this video much more simpler. So okay friend, now you can perform any task which you want to perform. So you can delete the Windows instance and now you can use the HANA Studio directly from your system. So okay friend, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe my channel